Oh. Anong ginagawa mo, Teteng?
Using a water bottle as a rolling pin because we don't have a rolling pin, but mom has a rolling pin, but dad doesn't know that, so we have to use a water bottle as a rolling pin.
Huwag masyadong madiin, Toy.
Oh, sorry. Jumbo.
Lang. Kasi pag nilagyan po ng flour, matigas naman yung tinapay.
I don't want tigas to panapay.
Ganyan, Tapos,
Nilalagyan ng palaman.
ganun palaman. Dapat yata 32. Maliit yata. Tapos kuha ka nito. Just enough. Ganyan. Tapos, balot.
Balot. Nabalot. Nabalot.
Yun,
Nabalot.
tapos na.
I need to do that with every single one of them.
Yeah.
I want this one, I want this.
Ay, hindi. Lulubog pa pala natin sa ano.
Bread flour. Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs.
Sabi ni Grandma, si Tito Chucky, inaano pa sa
Keep sa rotten egg.
na egg.
Rotten egg.
Na ano? Nasa sausaw?
Ah,
Sa rotten egg.
Subukan
para
natin.
didikit yung breadcrumbs.
Okay, sige.
Sa rotten egg.
Gagawa tayo ng eggs. Sandali.
Will work.
Go, mag-ano ka na dyan. Huwag ka mareklamo.
Mm.
Balik kita sa agency.
Flatten mo.
Mga dalawang egg, no? Sige, nagpa-play ka lang. Tapos, mami, ibibit? Ma'am, ibibit?
Just enough.
Tapos breadcrumbs.
No.
Ito mo muna yung ginagawa ng anak mo.
Tulong lang.
Kung tama. More na palaman.
Too much? Rotten.
Ito mo yung ginagawa ng anak mo. Tama ba yan?
Ang dami naman palaman niya, tutoy!
I want
Sabihan mo
this
siya, pagkain
one.
niya yan eh.
I want this one.
Baboy-baboy!
It's my food.
Ito pa, lalagay daw dito.
Dip it.
You gotta dip it.
Tapos breadcrumbs.
Tapos breadcrumbs.
Hadit mo dyan bago aarorin mo sa
Okay.
breadcrumbs.
Go. Let's go. Nasaan ito
Wait,
muna?
dip it.
Ito muna. Mali, pupunasan lang siguro, no? Dito punasan ba o mami? Adip. Adip
Hindi.
daw.
Sabay roll sa breadcrumbs.
You gotta
Sa breadcrumbs. Sa breadcrumbs.
Ayun na, sa breadcrumbs. Hala, baboy-baboy!
Wala yung diet niya.
Ew, I touched it on the Ew, it's so soggy. Open a load of everything.
Ano na anak?
It's my giant.
Oh,
That's the jumbo one.
jambuan ni Toto yan.
I give I have the jumbo one. Give me the jumbo one. Not
Si
this.
Grandma, kasama si Grandma sa video, ha? Every time I'm watching yung video dito, yung baby siya, nandun si Grandpa, kaya lang hindi natin nakukuhaan. O kasi ayaw niya. O, ano yan? Okay, pwede naman nalagay pa naman, anak.
Panaman. Or whatever it was called.
Laman. Laman is inside, right?
This.
O yan na, pwede na yan. Hold mong ikot. Para hotdog.
Ikot.
Bakit pa ganyan?
I want the jumbo.
Pull it kasi, pull it.
Oh, jumbo.
See? Because I just pulled it.
I shall have the jumbo one.
It's lahat yan sa iyo. Not unless kunin ni Grandma.
Oo. Dapat dalawa na kami gumagawa. Bukas pa kami matatapos yan. O yan, ito pa. Next. Ako na maglalagay ng palaman. Mabagal ang production. Mabagal ang production team.
And boom, more for you. Mom, more for you.
Lagay mong palaman, Titing.
Too much?
Stretch mo din siya.
Too much.
Yeah, tama. Kasi para dumikit nga yung
Breadcrumbs.
Parang ito.
Oh. Production team. Oh.
Bigyan mo kay mami mo.
Oh, another jumbo one.
Marami bang palaman na ganyan? Gusto ko maraming ganyan. Ha? Walang Grandma, preheat mo na yung oven.
Preheat the oven to, I don't know.
350 dami, mami.
I was about to say 360.
Sabihin mo sa sous chef mo.
Tristan.
350.
350.
Please.
Please.
Buti na lang nandiyan si Grandma.
Mm.
Granny goes. Ala, pull mo siya, pull. You gonna pull it. Dagdagan mo ng laman.
Ah!
Gusto ko maraming laman eh.
Same.
Ikaw din.
Opo, I like laman. But no empty zones.
Next time we'll try putting cream cheese.
Last one for me.
Anong last one? Meron pa doon.
There's 6 more here.
No!
Eh!
You're gonna work with me. You want this? You work with this. Ano ka, spoiled?
Hindi.
Si kuya lang nilulutuan ni mami. Nang di tumutulong.
Pero I have to work, but Kuya doesn't.
Pagod siya sa work job niya.
Oh, that's his word.
He's from work job, right?
Yeah.
Papaalsa pa yan, diba?
Huwag mo na kailangan. Yes, yes.
Jumbo. Ew, I like myself.
Oh. Ay, wag mong mahayaan lumalabas yung palaman. Because it will just be wasted. It will go to the tray. You don't want that, right? You have to seal it. That's why I sealed it. You understand?
Opo, 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 opo. Yeah, gotta seal it.
I think the jumbo should be in here.
Got to seal it.
Mami, tapos na daw siya.
I'll just do, oh wait, I forgot to seal it.
Kakalaba ko lang nun. Oh. Di ba mabilis pag dalawa tayo? You, look at me. You seal the sides. I'm gonna show you. Flat mo muna yan, then I'm gonna show it to you.
Wait, oh, wait, it might
Ay,
stick.
nako. Pabalik ko to sa agency.
No! No!
Hindi
No!
marunong.
No! I don't go to agency!
Yung baker na pinadala sa akin.
No!
Hindi marunong mag-bake.
No!
Maglakas lang kumain.
Sobra. It's too much.
Ay, you have to flatten that bread first.
I did!
Ay, we're not. Ay, nako. Hindi
I
maayos.
did!
The work is not good.
I did though!
It's too much. Oh, you didn't flatten it well.
What is flatten it well?
I-flat man ganyan. Oh, kaya nga may rolling pin, di ba?
Opo,
Look at this. Look at mommy. You put it like a hot dog also. Because we're gonna roll it like...
Dog.
Aha. Flat ko maayos. Ay, tinatamad na. Hindi ka tinatamad?
Hindi.
Give him some of this.
Give me some dough.
Flat mo mabuti. When it's sticky, it's good because it means... Ay, nakalimutan ko ilagay sa ano.
Fine, tapos na.
O, tandaan natin, meron tayong isang hindi nalagyan ng egg, ha? Ito.
Kaya hindi masyado na-coat ng
O yan, o, di ba na-flat na? Di ba flat na?
I'll eat it.
Ito. Ayan, di ba? Then we're gonna put this. Palaman. O, stretch mo. Lalak mo dito sa side. Look at mommy. Itong left and right. O, para pag naluto siya, lock siya.
Nakasid yung palaman sa loob.
Nakasealed yung palaman.
Parang croissant yan
Parang croissant. Ganun pala yung croissant.
I want to eat it. But I can't right now.
Apat na lang.
Oh, there's already egg.
Parang croissant.
Okay, tama na yan.
Ano pa naman? Lagay na pa naman. Perfect yan. Ganda yan.
Wait, I see a bit of green. I'm taking out the green.
It's okay.
Green removal.
Oh, yan na lang. Tama-tama. Tatlo na lang yun. One, oh. Oh, what did I told you? Palahaba muna siya. And then, ito i-stretch natin ng konti. And then, where will we lock it? On the corner. And then, this one maganda pag mahaba. Parang
Croissant.
croissant.
Croissante. It's not enough to make that stuff.
Mainipin yung ano ko, panadero ko. Dapat pala isang itlog lang.
Make this stuff.
Gawin torta yan.
It's not enough.
How long I held you. Oh, hindi pa naman flat yan ah. Ito oh. Ay, sus. Ano na yan? Tawag ka tayo ng oven. Ganyan oh, you have to flatten it. Oh.
Oh, I found green. I need the.
It's okay, that's not sugar. Dalawa pa, isa na lang, okay.
It's not enough to make the stuff.
No, it is okay.
Oh, it's enough to make the stuff.
Oh no, dalawa pa pala. Ito pa pa sa harapan
It's
natin.
not enough.
Okay
to
lang yan,
make
go.
the stuff.
Hindi sa'yo pwede walang laman.
No, pwede naman natin, oh.
Oh, I want
No, there's still more, oh. Eksakto, oh.
Oh, that is enough to make the stuff.
Ako pa? Sino ba yung titit ang titit?
The oven. It's still not sticking. When is flat enough? It's not sticking.
Oh, yan na. Okay na. Lagay na pa naman.
Not enough to make the stuff.
Go.
Wait.
Mas flat.
Galing ah. Galing ng panadero ni Kulot. Galing ng panadero ni Mami Yoli ah. Magkano ba ang bayad sa'yo sa tinapay na to? Dahil nakalimutan ng daddy mong bumili ng tinapay. Go, dip it. Hala, baboy, baboy. Ako na yun, gawin. Hindi mo na naman nilak.
Oh, sorry.
That's the important part. Kundi malabas lahat yan. Okay, go.
Put it in the middle.
Oh.
Tanga naman si
I was
Tutoy.
supposed to put it in the. Oh, a bit of it sticky. That right?
Tama na yan.
Hindi na to.
Rolling
Ilang minutes ba?
to make this stuff.
Naman dyan
Nandun pala
sa...
sa cookbook ko. Lock it.
Wait, I'm still rolling it.
Because you have to roll it pa ganito. Ganyan. Go. You're not rolling it paharap sa'yo. Oh, then. Stretch. Stretch it. There you go. Lock sa side. Ako na, baboy. Can you get my cookbook and read how many meats in there?
Wash your hands first.
Cookbook.
Naglaro kasi eh. Halika na, dali.
Grab a pen.
Wait, Grandma.
Nako! Mag-antay kayo dyan. Hindi ko nabasa kung ilang minutes.
Oh my god, I can't hold this forever.
This is 350. Walang naka... 15 minutes, 12 pieces. 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Open the oven.
I can't open the oven.
Okay, yan sa taas. Ako na, baka mapasok ka.
Okay, good.
15 minutes.
Dad does his. Because he's
Gusto mo ito mga tostado to? Magtutusta to. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. May something sunog.
Ano tinuro sa'yo ni grandma?
Mommy mean?
Ni mami mo? How to mix it? Fold. And mix.
Ay,
Okay, bye.
bye.
What's that?
Spanish bread or pandesal.
Spanish bread, yung palaman ng Spanish bread.
Opo.
What's in it?
Breadcrumbs, butter, and sugar. Most importantly.
Yeah.
The butter, there's breadcrumbs, and you can't find the sugar because it's practically invisible.
Okay. See you later.
See you later, too.